In last lecture, I have completed a very important part, that is average atomic mass. How to calculate average atomic mass. In this, what we must know? We have to calculate the atomic masses of isotopes, the atomic mass of 12 carbon, 13 carbon, 14 carbon. Then we must know the atomic mass of different isotopes, then relative abundance of various isotopes. From that we can calculate the average atomic mass. Then in the next part we have completed atomic mass, average atomic mass of neon, in which it is provided by atomic mass of 20 neon, 21 neon and 22 neon. Then natural abundance of 20 neon, that is 90%, 21 neon is 0.26% and 22 neon is 8.82%. This is provided to do the problem. So we have calculated the average atomic mass of neon. Then we have calculated molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of average atomic masses of all atoms of elements which constitutes the molecule. So now the next part, that is formula mass. The formula mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of atom present in the formula. See, molecular mass is the sum of average atomic masses of all atoms of elements. Atoms of all elements which constitute the molecule. Another part, that is formula mass, is the formula mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of the atom present in the formula. So it will be easy for you if you will see one of the problem, how to solve the problem. Formula, very simple formula, that is NaCl, sodium chloride. So sodium chloride, average mass of sodium plus average mass of chlorine, average mass of sodium plus average mass of chlorine, 23, that is average mass of sodium is 23 plus average mass of chlorine is 35.5. So addition of this, you have to take the sum of this. Addition of 35 plus, that is 35.5 plus 23 is 58.5 average atomic mass. That is what we have taken. We have taken the formula, and from that formula you have to take the atoms present in that formula. You have to take the average mass of the formula. Example, second example is copper nitrate, CuNO3 taken twice. Average mass of copper, average 1 into average mass of copper plus 2 into average mass of nitrogen plus 3 into average mass of oxygen. What elements are present in the formula? Copper, then nitrogen, then oxygen. How many oxygen? 3 oxygens. Copper is only 1, nitrogen is 1, nitrogen is 2 and oxygen is 6. So 1 for the copper, 2 for the you have to take the 3 oxygens first, and that is finally multiplied by again 2. So oxygen 16 into 3 and finally again it is multiplied by 2. So the answer is 124 plus mass of carbon is 63.5 and when you will do the addition, answer is 187.5. That is average atomic formula. It is a formula mass. Formula mass is 187. So if I gave you the problem, this I have trying to solve the different problems. If very simple problem, that is CuSO4. CuSO4, 1 copper, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygens. Very simple problem. That is 1 copper, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygens. So copper, just now we have calculated, so 63.5 for copper. Sulfur it is 32 and oxygen is 16. So 63.5 plus 32 as it is you have to take for sulfur, because only one sulfur, but oxygen are 4, 16 4 is 64, so answer is 159.5 formula mass. Calculate molecular mass of H2O. Is it easy for you now? Because we have to think only about hydrogen and oxygen. 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. So 2 hydrogen is 1, only 1. So how many hydrogens? 2. 2 into 1, that is 2. And oxygen is just only 1. So 1 into 16, answer is 16 plus 2, 18. 16 plus 2, 18. It must be actually after some time when you will practice it properly. It is the oral problem. C6H5Cl, 6 carbons, so 12 6 are 72. 5, 72 plus 5, because 1 for hydrogen, and chlorine 35.5, so 72 plus 5 plus 35 plus, that is 35.5, answer is 112.5 molecular mass. So what about H2SO4? Students, what about H2SO4? Hydrogen is 1. 2 hydrogens are there. 2 into 1, 2. Sulfur is 32. Into 1, that is 32. And 4 oxygens, that is 64. 2 plus 32 plus 64. Answer is 98 molecular mass. Next one is, you have to find out the mass of one molecule of oxygen. One molecule of oxygen in atomic mass unit and in grams. Molecular mass of oxygen is 16 into 2, that is 32. Mass of one molecule of O2 is, how to calculate? Mass of one molecule of oxygen, that is 32 into, you have to multiply it by the 1.66056. 1.66056 into 10 raised to the power minus 24, multiplied 32 into 1.66056 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24. You have to convert it into the gram. So we are doing this. Answer is 53.1379 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 grams. So this is the that is we have what we have calculated. We have calculated mass of 1 gram, mass of one molecule of oxygen in gram. How many grams? That is 53.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 grams. Okay, so this is all about the basic concepts. Now in the next lecture I am going to again calculate some problems for you of some basic part.